Do you know many people are having trouble with the LC error code on their Samsung dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check water valve. Check and close the water supply valve if there's a leakage in the water supply valve connection. Step 2. Inspect supply line. Close the water supply valve and inspect for any suspension in the supply, or if the water inlet valve or line is clogged. Step 3. Inspect drain hose A. After closing the water supply valve, inspect the drain hose for clogs or folds and check if the drain hole inside the sump is clogged. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the LC error on your Samsung DW80K7050UG Dishwasher. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.